All right, super friends, I'm going to show you a good old down home and when it gets a little chill in the air recipe from the ghetto kitchen. Here you go. You get you some regular old Campbell's chicken noodle that I already put in there. I don't use sink water. The legend never drinks that slop, only spring water. That's in cooking. I don't even drink water. I only drink beer. Now, got a little bit of olive oil here. We're going to dash some olive oil in there. Yes, indeed. Good bit. Olive oil. Secret to long life. Cayenne pepper, organic style. Let's give it a little dasher. All right. Black pepper. Just a bit there, as you can see. But that's not it. We got to have our other real ingredients going on, too. We got some cilantro. We've got chopped purple onion. There we go. Gotta put some more of that in there. Purple onion. Then we've got some chopped garlic. You want that too, when you're fighting off the old coronavirus. And then they don't put enough chicken up in this soup. So the old legend pulls from his baked chicken and starts throwing some of his baked chicken on in there. Only the best. The chicken breast. There you go. Let me get some more of that. I'm trying to nab some more out of that. You see, the legend's got to get rough. It's survival times. There we go. Now, secret ingredient. Bell pepper stem. There we go. Now all you do, you stir that on up in there. And you got yourself some good old home style ghetto chicken stew. See, look at that. Good stuff.